I become live once again. And yes, today's video is about Tesla coil and Tesla's some inventions. Maybe I cannot share my screen with you, but yes, definitely I can show you some evidences from my what it called from my laptop screen, right? Basically I am just opening, I was trying to open the my chat in computer because I don't want to show 1 minute. I just want to make sure that my voice is clear. 1 minute. I just want to make yes, sure my voice is all clear. Okay, so basically I am talking about Tesla coils. So what is a Tesla coil? Basically this one is a Tesla coil. You know, this one is very large, and this one is my life's first Tesla coil, and this is damaged. I mean, this is not in working condition right now, but yes, this one is in working condition. But what is the concept and what is all about, today I will discuss. Basically I took some wires. You can see there is thin wire, right? Thin copper wire. You can see, maybe you can see. Okay, so here is thin copper wire which is uh, turned around the it is a plastic casing. It is a container of the silicon glue which is used in that kind of windows and something. And you can also make aquarium waterproof with this glue, this gun type glue. So this is the coil, and I had a stabilizer transformer. I had a transformer which is from the stabilizer, and I just took the copper wires, the enamel coated copper wires from there, and you can see there is joints in here. Okay, so basically the loop starts from here. Okay, wait, let me focus it. Yes, so basically the loop starts here, and here the wire was ended, and then I started the loop over here, and then continued over here, and then so this is the total coil. It is almost like I don't know how many turns it is inside of it. So basically I used this wire, and this is a very good quality Tesla coil, and yes, this is very good. This is a very good power. This has very good power, and I used to power it from the 13007 transistor, which is a high voltage transistor, and this is very good transistor. That transistors are used in that. I think I don't have any. No, I don't have anything to show you, but yes, that is a transistor which is very high power. And yes, also this one. I had a picture of this Tesla coil I made earlier, so I can show you. Let me give some time. So basically I just have to go to, okay, all right, I just have to go to the community, and okay, you can just see here there's many community posts over here, and there was the Tesla coil article which is basically available on my what is said that is my website, which is www dot, wait, I will, yes, this is my website, right? You can see this is my website and this is the address of this website. Yes, so basically this is not the motive, and you can just wait for some time and I can show you. Yeah, this was my another setup, but uh, yes, I can show you that one. Wait. Yes, this one is that Tesla coil, which I made earlier. Yes, this one I just wrapped electrical tape around them, and it was very powerful, but this is now out of order. And yes, I also have this one in full, I mean, what is said, it is in full condition, so I can show you. Yeah, yes, this one you can see. Basically this one is that. Okay, so I am currently um, streaming this live from my mobile phone, so I cannot share the screen, but you can see like that. Here I used a uh, 13007 transistor. There are 4 and 4, total 8 of these transistors, and there is a 3 ampere 12012, what is it, transformer, something like that. Okay, not this transformer, but yes, like that. Or and here is a LC circuit. You can see it is a LC circuit which is included a inductor, capacitor, and also a full bridge rectifier. And here is a bridge AC rectifier, right? Here all the things in the LC circuit, and also I added a mini LED light. But here I don't use a LC circuit because it don't need any LC circuit. So basically I added here, you can see this is a push switch. Okay, this push switch is one for turn it on and one for turn it off. And yes, these all are just controlling the switches, right? So this is on off circuit, and I made this one. And I maybe I had another pictures of it. Okay, just see, this one is a very powerful motor I bought past. uh, yeah, how I am looking. Okay, wait, I just post uh, posted a Q&A session, but nobody commented there, so I cancelled it. And yes, I reached 100,000 subscribers. Thank you all of you. And okay, wait, yes, this one is the induction heating system which I made earlier in the past. And yeah, this oscilloscope also I made this oscilloscope in the past. uh, this is the induction heater. This is a basically amplifier, and maybe nothing is there, anything. Okay, so no need anything. Basically I just want to show you, I just wanted to show you how I used to manage that all. And my nose is running currently also, like past video. And yes, I can show you something which I had basically. So basically you can see there is a Tesla coil in my hand, right? So basically this Tesla coil has a very good power and very good, what is it, if it's not efficient, but yes, the Tesla coil is very good wireless power transfer device. I just used this antenna over here because yesterday I made a radio from it, out of it, a radio. I made a radio out of it, right? So basically, I wrapped some wires. There are some wires. There are three wires. The middle one is the end of this loop, and this goes up to here. And these two are the primary coils, and this is the secondary coil. Okay, so there is, I used just 1 mm house wiring wire that used in house wiring in electricity. So basically this one is complete setup, right? So we can use two different methods for power it up. One is that it's called IC based or transistor based system, and one is high voltage based. So for transistor based we can use this type of circuit. You can see if I focus it. Okay, it's like good. No, it is not focusing because it is fixed focus. So maybe it can focus, maybe. Okay, don't worry, I can just, yes, now it will focus. See this one, just we can use this type of circuit for that. And we can use also a 13007 transistor for this Tesla coil. And yes, we have another Tesla coil. So I thought I can make a project about how can these two items transfer energy between each other. Like I can push it inside or whatever. I can power it up and send some signal from it and receive the signal from it. Maybe it will work. I don't know. Maybe it will work. So basically, this is the concept. And my yes, we are now connecting with two peoples. So where are you from? You can comment down below. And yes, I have this coil, and also you can see this transformer. This is a 230 volt and 12 volt and 3 ampere transformer. See, so I have this transformer which is in copper plate, and I can use this transformer for power this up. And yes, I can also use a voltage booster module for it, everything. Okay, so I can also use this type of voltage booster. And yes, so where are you from where are you watching? You can comment down below. And yes, I showed it in the past. This is basically what is said. It is basically it is a amplifier circuit, right? Yes, this is the amplifier circuit. See, yes, and it is a mini amplifier circuit which is run on 5 volt, and it has a good output sound. I will make a video on this after some time. And this is based on BC547 transistor. Yes, this is not a class D amplifier or a very good efficient amplifier, but yes, it can deliver a decent amount of sound, right? And yes, this one is AC circuit. I also posted a short about this circuit. This is very powerful circuit. I can show you a demo. 1 second. I can just show you a demo after I clean this mess. Okay, so there is a transformer. It is quite heavy, and why it is jumping? Okay, don't worry. Okay, so just shove these two wires inside here, and maybe it is dangerous. Yes, no. Okay, so the next one, I put this. So now the transformer has power, you know. Yes, see, the transformer has power. See here. Yes, the transformer has power. So now I can just add okay. Oh, okay, just I can fix it here, maybe. So that will work, maybe. First of all, this wire, and second one is this wire over here. Yes, it is charging. The LED maybe blows. Wait. Okay. Yes, I just connected them, and maybe I can push. Okay, maybe I can push the resistant to LED. So it will. Okay. Yes, it is running the AC circuit and the transformer. Okay. So basically I can demonstrate you how can we probe this with a basic mobile phone. So I can show you. Just open it, and I put the password, and yes, this is the oscilloscope. This is the oscilloscope application. You can see hello, 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 1 2 3 4, hello, hello, and it is just from the microphone. And instead of the microphone, I will use the my secret device. Okay, so let me fix it in any place, right? Okay, this is right. This is great, I think, or that way. Okay, this is great. That way it is great. Okay, so basically, yes, basically I am just in here. I am watching the preview, and in my mobile I am just doing it. So I think there will be no problem. So basically I placed it here. Okay, and yes, totally visible, right? Okay, and yes, it is totally visible. So I have a device which is basically this one. Maybe you can see it. Yes, this one. This device contains some resistant, nothing much, and I made it in the past videos. And this is a oscilloscope probe, right? I made it, and just put the 3.5 mm jack inside the mobile phone, and it can. Okay, just connect one of the over here, and maybe it can show some voltage. Okay, so there is a loose connection because mobile is damaged. Yes, you can see here. Okay, I just turn this on. Okay, my nose is blowing. Okay, I just turned it on, and here we have to put a mini weight, because this is otherwise it will not working properly. Okay, so it is not working. Okay, maybe that way it will work. Yes, it is working. So you can see here I have this probe. Okay, this one is connected to the red wire, and when I touch this wire, you can see there is a sine wave over here. Okay, you can see there is a sine wave. I can zoom it, zoom out. I can zoom it out. Where it goes? Maybe it's damaged or something. What happened? Okay, something just happened, but I don't know. I don't know why it stops. Ready? Okay. So why? Hello. My nose is uh all the time. Okay. Maybe my data source. Hello. 1 2 3 4. Hello. Okay, this is not working. I don't know why, but it should work. Okay, so it's just damaged or something. You cannot see my. Okay. Yes, now you can see my work disk, I think, properly. Hello Hitartho, hello, how are you? And my oscilloscope is damaged. I don't know how and why. This is the peak voltages, and yes, it just turned off, and I just have to restart it. Maybe it will work properly. Yes, it is working properly. Okay, so just off the A50, just only this one, and only using this thing you can see the voltage over here. Maybe. Hello. 1 2 3 4. Hello. No, this is not working, but it will work. Wait, let me give some time. Okay, it is just working. It just turn off. For what is happening? I did not get it. I don't know. Just I made this oscilloscope earlier, and maybe it is now damaged. You can see here. And hello. Where are you from? You can just send me comment, and I can know you. That how will you doing? How all of this happening? All of this. I can just reduce this one. Maybe yes, maybe I can reduce. Yes. This is what I was talking about, and maybe now you can see this one, right? Maybe you can see this one. This is okay. My basically the jack is little bit in the trouble, so there is a problem. Okay, maybe that way it will just, yes, it is just showing the sine wave. You can see here, mm, just it is showing the sine wave. And yes, just put this like, just put it like that. It is not working properly, I don't know why. Okay, but I can figure it out. Yes, I can figure it out. Okay, for some time, please turn it on. You can just see here the limited phase shifting, and there is another probe, and when you connect this one over here, there is nothing. I just damaged this one, or what happened with it? This just happened. Hello. See, there is everything okay. But I cannot just plug this in. Okay, just plug this in. Just wait a second, and maybe that way it will work. Okay, the slightest touch, and I will put a screwdriver over here. It will make the slightest touch, and it will be great, I think. Okay, no, it's not working. So with these pliers it will work. May work. Yes, with these pliers it is working, and you can see how much struggle I have to I have to do with this thing. Just okay, just showing here the, you can see here there is a sine wave like, okay. Okay, it just turned off, and yes, you can see here what I am trying to say you, that I am grounded, right now I am grounded, and one of this probe is connected over here. That is output of this transformer, and there is another probe, and after when I touch it, you can see there is a sine wave which is passing through my body, and when I touch it, okay, when I touch it, you can see the sine wave in that way. Okay, yes, it is showing, okay, all right, maybe that way it will show. Okay, yes, you can just see here. Just see here, there, when I touch this wire, it shows the slightest sine wave right over here, but it is not working properly. I don't know why, but yes, let me turn off this one and just put my this oscilloscope aside, and yes, I can show you a dangerous thing. Just wait. See here. Maybe over here. My nose is blowing. Maybe over here. Little bit and little bit more. Yes, over here. Over here you will know. Okay, you can see here. Here is my LC circuit with full working condition. Here it is, and I can just make a short circuit with it. Just I took a screwdriver and just shorted it. You see here how much the power, the voltage, and okay, wait, it's not working properly. Maybe okay, wait. Yes, it's great. And yes, now oh, this one is great. You can see how much volt, how much ampere does it has. I used only single transformer for it. This one is basically 3 ampere, and you can see how much this is, just how much current it has. This is great. You can see this is great, right? After some time, okay, just let me wait for one more time, and okay, maybe this is disconnected or something. No, this is not disconnected, and you can see my screwdriver is just black, and oh yes, this is too much dangerous. Alright, you can just see and just look at my screwdriver. Just look at my screwdriver. What happened with it? It just damaged and turned black, and it is hot. Yes, that is the AC circuit, and I just disconnect my wires because this transformer otherwise become damaged. Okay, I personally used this mobile. This mobile is basically a old mobile, and I used to make videos from this mobile, but currently I bought a new mobile. I can show you. You can see this is a new mobile, and yes, it has also a flashlight. Yes, this phone was also a flashlight. And what I and why do I just talking about that, I don't know. Okay, so that is all, but I just want to make something else. You can ask me any question if you want. I just took a what it called, the fluorescent light ballast it called, and I took it. And can you tell me what is this component? What is the name of this component? Wait, I will show you it properly. Just this component. What is this component? Can you tell me? And what is the use of this type of transformer over here? Can you show? Can you tell me? If you tell me, you can comment down below why this is here and why this is here, and what is this thing, this black thing. What is the black thing? Okay, yes, what is this black thing? What is this? You can just comment down below, and I will answer you. My English is not very good, and I just I'm just trying to talk to you, and yes, that is how I continue my live session, and I am waiting for your questions. So here nothing much, but I ordered a amazing item, which is basically a what it called. It is a I forgot just. It is a pack. Okay, it is a pack of some resistant, and uh, yes, yeah, this is a pack of some resistant, and I ordered it. Maybe it will work, and it will help me with my projects, and you can see here is a thing. And okay, so I have something for you. What is this component? What is the name of this component? Wait, let me turn on the flash and zoom it so you can just see what is this item called. What is the name of this? इसका नाम क्या है? क्या आप बता सकते हैं? कमेंट करके बताइए. What is its name? And can you just read transistor color code? If you can, just comment down below what value they are. Comment down right now what value they are. And I have some other thing. Here you can see it. Here you can see I just created a what is said a what is said I forgot a PCB board um, PCB board layout, PCB layout, sorry. It is a PCB layout, and this is for a dual channel stereo microphone. So I have many of them, I can see. And this is a small bowl with full of components. Maybe you will like it. You can see there is transistors and this type of capacitors. There is IC, and you can see here what is the number of this IC. You can see this is SDC 7500 IC, and I have many more things. I don't know what is the just I don't know what is this IC, but if you had any idea about how to remove that thing, then you can comment down below. They remove that black thing, because because of this one I cannot access this IC. And yes, if you want, I can just break it and show you what is inside of a IC. And yes, there is a transistor. And do you know what is the work of this transistor? Let me show you. Okay, so what is the work of this transistor? You will know this is D82 transistor. This is very good transistor, which is basically high frequency and high voltage generator. And I have another thing. This one is called IRFZ44N, and this is a new MOSFET. It is a brand new MOSFET. I can make a what it called that induction heater or something else. Yes, I have a battery. This battery is almost like how much wait, I will show you. This is 150 milliampere hour. you can see. So this is a tiny battery I have. I can make a microphone from it. You can see there is a capacitor, 35 volt and 100 microfarad. And how can I turn this capacitor? And yes, can you say why this cut on the capacitor, why this cut is present on the capacitor? Can you say? If you know, you can comment down below. And I have many more things to show you. Yes, I have another bucket over here. Not this is not a such bucket. It's just a bowl. Sorry, bowl, not a bowl. This is a bowl. There is a SPST switch. Okay. Yes, this is a single SPST switch. There is something more. Uh, there is what it called. Just wait. IRF 3205. This is also a MOSFET. You can use to make a inverter or something else. Here is a chaser board for that miniature lights. Here I have a crystal oscillator. You can see this is 11,000 megahertz crystal oscillator, and this is in good condition. There is some transformers for the I can make a what it called this is a SMPS. I can make a SMPS. So from this you can make also a SMPS. So I will make a SMPS from this. And there are some high voltage tiny capacitors over there. You can see they are the tiny capacitor, high voltage capacitors. And there is the audio jack. And what is the name of this audio jack? If you know, just comment. Okay, there is another IC I have. Just let me zoom in. Okay, this is LM339 LD. This is LM339 IC. See how beautiful this IC is. That is the beauty of electricity. And what is this called? This is basically a filter. Okay, what is something called RF filter or something? I don't know. I basically forget it. This is basically filter. And I have something more. There is also a MOSFET which is damaged. You can take tiny enamel coated copper wires from the old this type of relay. So you can see this is very tiny wires. And I have something more. You can see there is a Bluetooth device. I had this Bluetooth device. I can zoom it more. And yes, this is a Bluetooth device. Basically this is a Bluetooth headphone board, and maybe I can use it for make a nice looking oscilloscope. So I keep it. And here is some more transformers. You can see there is a transformer. Not this is not such transformer. This is basically inductor. And are you enjoying this close up shot of those tiny components? Then you can comment down below. And You just see my fingerprints. Just my fingerprints, and my nail is grown, and my hand. This is just this is awesome. Yes, I am sweating because it's too hot in here. See, this is a 250 volt 47 nanojoule capacitor. This is called a ceramic capacitor or the AC capacitor. I have something else. There it is, the diode. It is the diode, and it's IN4007. It's the diode, and here it is 13007 transistor. This is the transistor which I was talking about, and by this transistor you can make a powerful Tesla coil like this one. Okay, and many more things about here is present. You can just see this type of capacitors. These are basically 105 joule and 400 volt capacitor. This and there is another thing. What this is a resistant, right? Basically this is a resistant, and I can show you it closely. See, this is a aha, this was nice. And what is over here? More and more. Yes, I have a potentiometer. I also have a potentiometer, and this is A10K. Oh yes, this is A10K. This is a great potentiometer, right? Great potentiometer. And I think this was damaged, maybe damaged. Okay, so let's see another thing what I have. So here is my old motor. Okay, so here is the interesting thing. Here is a motor, right? You will notice this is a just normal looking motor, toy car motor, but I just modified this motor. You can see here, maybe like this way, and you can see the brushes of this motor, the tiny brushes of this motor. These are not really good, but these are okay. This is okay, average. And yes, I have this motor. Just 1 second. Okay, here is the armature of this motor, and just look at the binding, how thick that wires. I just used the very thickest wire I had to bind it, and I bind it, but it turns is in a very low RPM like this. And yes, this one is very good. Okay, so next item. What is the next item? Basically the next item is this one is 13007. No need to see. Okay, here is nothing. Okay, so here is a here is a capacitor which is basically 50 volt. I can zoom it, and you can just see how they print that letters. Just see here. This is interesting, right? Hehe. This is interesting. And okay, what is thing next? Okay, this is a LED light, and you can see the LED light, how it work with a very zoom in. Okay, just like that you can just see how the LED works. Are you enjoying the close-up shot? You can comment down below. And see, here is also a transformer. I can also use this transformer as a power supply, and there is also one which is basically not for the power supply, but it can just generate a higher voltage and high frequency voltage with the help of that D882 transistors which I just showed you. And basically it has to show this type of transistors, but I don't have any which is basically in good condition. And I am just showing you about a scam. Okay, just see it, what just it show. This is 125 volt and 1 ampere. This tiny switch, how can it handle even 120 volt and 1 ampere? This means it handle 125 watt. How can it possible? Can you imagine how tiny it is? There is a average size motor, and there is the switch. There's a tiny switch. You maybe cannot hear the clicking. You cannot hear the clicking. It is a tiny switch, but yes, they claim it will handle many voltages. And if you want to see how this tiny capacitors blows, then I will do it. This capacitor, I will blow this capacitor, and this will blast like a tiny dynamite. Maybe, I don't know. This is a great. Okay, so what is next? Just zoom out it. Okay, what is next? What is next? There is something interesting maybe present in here. You just see, you can see my desk over here. It is full of, and yes, this one is a dish antenna I made, but not working because I have to put aluminum foil over here, and all of it will work properly. And thank you for coming, guys. Today's life is that is it for today. Bye bye.